Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for this chance. My name is Raju Dahal. I am 27 years old. I am from Dhading district, Nepal. I am married. I have 4 members in my family. My education is 10 pass. My height is 5.8 feet and weight 56 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, volleyball, watching movies, traveling, cooking, etc. Talking about my work experience, I have 2 years of work experience as a factory worker in Malaysia. I want to come to any European countries as a factory worker to earn money and support my family. Secure my future, I can do loading, unloading, cleaning and weight lifting, operating, machine, material handle, safety, etc. I will stay there for the long term, maybe 5 to 6 years. Also, I will follow the company and rules and policy. Thank you. Thank you.